What's this, Cosimo?
This is Na'o, the deadly chemical.
Where are you going?
Oh, making soap.
Hi! Wow. We're doing a soap class today. We have all the instructions, all the ingredients.
And guys, it's edible soap. You can eat it.
No.
My name is Ledu. I'm the instructor for the class. Today we are going to make some natural bar soap. We are going to make it from the scratch. The main ingredients will be natural oils here. Coconut, palm, sunflower, olive, canola, and castor.
And then extra virgin olive oil. So many oils. So we're just rubbing ourselves with oil and we have soap.
No. Because once you mix it with these specific ingredients, all those oils will turn into soap. The final product actually will not be like oils. It's going to turn into something solid. This is the raw form of the chemical, the sodium hydroxide. But it is very dangerous to not touch it. So it can burn your skin chemically.
Wow. So do we put that on our skin? Why?
You don't put it on.
No,
You don't.
it's in the soap.
It's not going to be the final product. You need to dissolve it with specific amount of water first. I already dissolved it here, so rather we can just use it. But this is also as dangerous as the raw form. Once you mix it with the oils, as long as you have like the correct calculation, all the sodium hydroxide combined with oil, they will create something new.
So if you do the wrong calculation, it explodes.
Not going to explode as well, yeah, but it can be harmful for your skin.
Yeah.
Correct.
What? Which one's more dangerous, that one or that?
Both.
Both.
This is just the softened version of that.
So you mean this one can burn your...
Both of them.
If you don't use it the correct way, yeah.
What if you just cut off
So
that
but you
dirt?
so when you dissolve it, you wear gloves?
Yes, and also mask.
Okay.
In the page number 5, they are palm oil free, while in the page number 6, they are with palm oil. Some people don't like palm oil in their product because it is not environmentally friendly.
Yeah.
Coconut and palm oil actually they will create like harder soap.
Okay.
They will create a lot of foam and they will clean our skin very good. But if you use too much of coconut oil, actually it can be drying on your skin.
Oh wow, really?
So coconut oil is not a good moisturizer. It is good for your hair, but not the scalp, not the skin. You can use other oils like olive oil,
What about
sunflower.
this oil? Do we have to heat it up, guys?
No, we don't need to cook or heat anything because the coconot oil here, it is in liquid form. Each one of you will make about 600 grams of soap. The color usually comes in a powder form, and then you add the solution, mix it until it's a bit thicker. Over there to choose the smell and the color first. Essential oils. Here are natural color. Rose clay for pink color, moringa powder for like a light green, greenish color. This will create orange like turmeric color. This is for black color, and here are some synthetic color. Here are some synthetic fragrance.
There's one for you. It's called farts.
How do you get the fart smell?
I don't give the name. Okay? So I just bought it like monkey fart actually smell banana.
Oh really?
It's monkey, so it's banana.
How many colors can you mix?
This is only for the top because if you use it in the soap, it will create like brownish color only.
And they're trying all the scents.
Oh my, this smells like the camper.
Ooh, I want to do this one.
Okay. So you picked your scent.
Oh, the ylang ylang smells. Oh, I've smelled this smell before. It's like a classic soap smell. Am I right?
It smells like Bali.
Green and then blue.
Which green?
This one.
This one? So did you pick?
Better than banana.
Yeah, it's really
I want it.
Luca was very decisive compared to you.
So you guys don't want to use any palm oil in the recipe?
No, we don't.
Okay, we'll create the second one. It is still hard, but it is more like not milder one compared to the recipe one.
More moisturizer.
More moisturizer.
We should do the second one.
We all should do the second one.
What's the second one?
It's a bit more moisturizing for your skin.
So once you have one oils in, please give it a check so you will know it's already inside.
So first we mix the oil. So we're following this recipe. As soon as he adds on one oil, he checks it. aroma.
But do not mix anything just
Yeah,
yet.
just weigh it.
Olive oil.
What did you get?
Lavender. Oh, 6 to 12.
You want to make it smell good.
Yeah, so this is already the sodium hydroxide and water. You need to
Do both
combine
of those.
them.
65 and 130.
Correct.
Okay. So it has to be 195. Let me smell it.
Don't.
Oh, it actually doesn't smell like good.
And next is canola oil.
What's this, Cosimo?
This is NaO, the deadly chemical.
And what is it?
Sodium hydroxide and water.
Are you done with the oils, Emma?
Yeah.
Let me check.
4, 6.
Oh, very good.
Do you have?
Mi pesa, babe.
What is that?
I did it! It smells like the camper.
Lemongrass actually, but like spicier.
Oh, spicy lemongrass.
Wait, so you can't make soap without that? Like,
Correct.
there's nothing else you could use instead of that?
This is something that can turn the oil into that cleaning product.
Oh my gosh, Cosimo, you put it all in. Whee!
Well, I want to do the natural ones because it was cooler.
Seriously?
We are going to blend the color into the oil. 3 seconds.
2, 3.
We are going to pour this in. Yeah.
Oh, the chemical.
You will pour it. Do not press it. Yeah.
Okay.
Pour it all in, and then after that, follow by mixing it manually for a few seconds. Press. Keep pressing, holding it, and then like move it like very slowly. Just follow the inner side of your container. Stop. Stop manually.
Oh, look at the color.
Oh wow, look at that, it got brighter.
Wow.
Because now it's emulsifying.
Yeah.
The oils and the.
And now we cook it and it's good for cake. Right?
Do it again and just move it slowly from the bottom and slightly go up. Do not take it out, because it goes fast.
It's a creamy now.
Pour the essential oil, the lavender in, and then stir it in like back and forth, back and forth. Scrape the sides.
That is so neat.
So this is lavender.
Yes.
And a few more, the more the merrier. Actually smells really
the
good.
GoPro can't smell it, but
No. Okay, wait, actually I want to do a texture.
maybe you should have put the things after.
Yeah, you can put it after.
Make as many mistakes as you want, Cosimo, is the answer. Now we have to wait 2 weeks.
To do what? To use
To
it?
use
To
it.
use it, yes. So when you cut it, it should be, instead of cutting it from the top like this, it should be from the sideways.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's really
Yeah.
thick. You have to cut it sideways.
So Emma, you poured 195.
Yes.
Okay, now drink it. Shove that stuff down your throat. Drink it, drink it, drink it. You were saying that the soap will crack because we didn't use palm oil? Yeah. And
Because this recipe without palm oil, they will be warmer.
okay.
As you feel,
Oh yeah, it's hot.
so now the reaction is starting.
Wow. Yeah, this is how it was with the resin too. It got really, really hot. So there's nothing you can do to stop the crack.
No.
Just when you cut it, just be careful.
The crack will be there.
Yeah.
But it's not going to be to the bottom. Something.
Yeah, just the
Only
top.
like at the top.
Emma's intense face is getting ready.
But I was thinking, can I make it black? And then this is the straw.
We can try, but because black is very dominant color. Yes, they might just eat this color. Mix the color. Oh, that's nice.
Very nice.
Then we stop the dub. Yeah, take a bit.
Good. Some of the oil.
We're going to do. We are going to mix this with this
Okay.
until it's slightly thicker. Yeah, and you will add this. Yeah, all. Yeah, make sure it is here, and then pour 70 into that and do like that. And slow, faster now. Yeah, because the essential oil has its.
Wow.
Look, smiley face.
Pour it here slowly. Do not move too fast so the color doesn't mix here. Because you have black here, yeah? But the black can eat up other color. It's not going to be
Move
brown,
faster,
right?
Emma.
And then you got what you wanted. You got another color swirling in black. Oh, that's really stylish.
Oh wow. Emma made the fancy soap.
Hey guys, Cosimo in the future here. I want to show you the Adventure Globe. So it's this really cool kids book that our mom wrote and you should go buy on Amazon right now. It's a very good present for your kids to read. And if you didn't know, there's also a second one. Oh my gosh, 2. And there will be more coming soon, guys. So you should get them now on Amazon.
So green and blue, and then
Green and
these
blue.
ones are for the top.
And then those 2 at the top?
Yes. Green and orange. Too many green. This is cool.
Wow, that's a pretty blue.
Stir. Oh, look at that.
Let's see it, please. Oh.
Very pretty. Look at how focused he is.
This is the soap your grandmother liked.
Pour the smelling, Luca. No. Oh, yes. Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Stir.
Like, we don't have.
Oh, look at that.
I touched them.
That's the crack.
On my finger.
This is the creation.
Let it just say after like 20 minutes, then the top start to dry, I will spray it with alcohol. This is ethanol 96%. Spraying with alcohol can prevent something called soda ash happen. So it's like white layer of residue on the surface area of the soup. It is considered not harmful, but it just looks ugly. So it's important to keep the soup in the at least room temperature. If you keep the soup in the room that is too cold, the heat cannot go through all part of your soup and it will create something like this. So when you cut it, the color is not even. Still use the soup, yeah? It really doesn't affect the overall quality of the soup. Bali is very humid, yeah. After I cut the soup, I will put it into this type of container, so it can protect the soup from the humidity.
This is not hard, so you can't take this out yet.
You will bring the soup with the box, and if you keep them into an airtight container like that, they will preserve the smell better as well.
So, it's been 2 days after we've done the class. And wow, look at all our soaps. They're much harder. Still not ready. Still have too much moisture in them.
2 days after we've made the soap.
You cut it.
Why do you cut it after 2 days and not
Because
later on?
in 2 weeks it's gonna be too hard, and so you're probably gonna break it.
A big block of soap.
Yeah. First we're gonna remove the tape.
With a knife? Because
Yes. It makes it look cool.
So we are doing Cosimo's first, so if it comes yucky...
Cosimo's being a very nice brother.
He's being the guinea pig.
Okay.
It didn't crack too much.
No, it didn't. Oh. Okay.
There you go.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, so this is what he was talking about. See, it's darker here.
It's soft enough that you can cut it.
But see, this part is still
Yeah.
wet.
Oh, it looks like a block of cheese or like a delicious cake.
Perfect block. When we were in Kuala Lumpur, I bought resin and I did it. And the result came kind of weird, but it was the same idea. So it's a liquid. It's very dangerous. Do not drink it.
Do not even touch it.
It got really hot. And this was the result. It reminded me of the soap, the same thing, except instead this is just a piece of art that you can't use, whereas the soap, you can use it. So yeah, I had to show that off, guys. Okay.
Oh, it's so cute. Wow.
Yeah, don't make it too big. So these are all Christmas presents.
Dad and Nonna. This is where we got.
So it takes at least 2 weeks before you can actually use
So
it.
Yeah, so it's
see
been
you
2 days.
in 2 weeks.
Wait, let's
We'll
finish
start
cutting
washing
it.
in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Justin, we're not using soap until 2 weeks. Good job. Woo! Luca has a bit of like a marble cake here.
very
Cool.
Ooh, this is really perfect. Look at that one. Oh, hallelujah.
Hey guys, now we're starting a 5 World Explorers soap brand. So yes, buy our 5 World Explorers soap. We were selling these on eBay for $1,000. That's the starting price. Then you have to bid for more and more. So yeah, and then we're opening the 5 World Explorers soap. So stay tuned for that. And our soaps are also edible, because then those are the last 2. Woo! Perfect.
Ooh, good job.
Look at the texture on that one.
Wow. Look at that. It's like an eye.
I made 7.
And guys,
Good job.
I also want to tell you, you might think it's so uncool to follow the 5 World Explorers on Instagram. And we do post some of the same things, but we do ask you certain questions in the stories and show you extra details. and you get more stuff earlier because it's easier to do stories than it is to do videos. So guys, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. It's the same thing because they're so cool. But also watch the videos. Look at Emma's texture. It's so cool. It looks like a bunch of like space.
It looks like wind.
Stay tuned. One day we're gonna make the 5-Wood Explorers knife too.
Of course we are.
5-Wood Explorers soap brand and knives. Stay tuned for those.
Come on, Carl, stop lying.
I love your honesty, Luca.
It's true, stop lying.
There's an average of 8 to 9 actually, not even 10. I don't think 10 is possible for this size.
Well, you could make it smaller. You could cut this
You could
one
make really thin.
in a half.
Yeah, and then it could be even more.
Oh, that would be really small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would actually be smart. What our teacher was saying, you have to wrap them in plastic wrap.
After you cut them.
After you cut them, because it's too humid, they won't cure right and that stuff. And so that's what we're doing right now.
You can put them in a plastic bag, but we have plastic wraps.
Yeah, but also normally he would do it himself for you, but we weren't going back there. It's cool to do the whole process. I mean, come on guys, be the cool people.
And you should keep it in a cool place, not hot
Well, not in the
place.
fridge either. It has to be
Especially-
a normal temperature.
Like an AC
An
temperature.
air-conditioned room.
Emma has to be perfect. Look at that. She was perfect cutting it straight. They're all straight lines.
She has a vision.
Yeah. And she's also a baker, so bakers are very
Vision.
precise.
A baker.
Not like a Cosmos house.
A Cosmos house.
Wait.
Like this.
She has an idea, just let her
Sorry,
go
her
with
vision.
it.
I have to. Oh. She's getting even fancy with us here. Oh, wow. Oh.
Now she's showing off.
Oh, yeah, now she is.
There you go.
Look at that.
And she did it quick.
Look at that.
Oh, Cosimo! You would have gone one at a time.
No, we're just gonna make a mess if we do one at a time.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, wrap each individual one perfectly.
Packaging for the 5-Wood Explorers
Happening
soap
right
brand.
now
Yeah.
in a random kitchen in Bali.
Yeah. Bidding starts at $1,000.
For the,
Oh, per
especially the
slice.
crooked ones that Cosimo made. They're really unique.
The crooked
Why
one.
would
It
you go
has
for-
my breath on it and my hands.
Just like the ramen.
Mama, when you're done, we play.
It's the chemical called something bioxide. Sodium naroxide. Sodium chloride. Can I get that one? Sodium. Oh, what's it called?
Bit of color and 300 300.
What are you doing?
So you will go just
So
for
he
the-
pours it directly in here.
Directly.
What do I
You did a
do?
unique.
What do I? You don't even know what you're doing.
the marble cake.
Yeah.
Put a bit and a bit and like make them a little.
That's how you make your
That's what you're
soap.
doing. You're gonna pour a little. Yes.
Sideways? What? No. What are you doing?
What? Sideways.
You have to cut like this.
Oh, or we could do like that.
No, that's how you cut it.
No,
Because
that's
you
too
get.
thin. Oh, so the top is on all of them.
Well, yeah, guys. Seriously.